And now.
Running this old T-Maxx. Reverse doesn't work, but had to fix the suspension right there. See that?
Yeah. Always sucks.
That got ripped out from hitting a tire, another car. Broke the plastic, so I just put some clamp material, fixed. Put these big wheels on it, and then on the back. Not proportion perfect, but it works. Just give a little bit of loving. Oh yeah, I sprayed some Berryman's in the tank and through the carburetor, and that cleaned it out real quick. This is a stubborn one. We're almost there.
Let's go down here now. We better watch it. Wow.
Still works. This thing's what, 10, 11, 12, 10 years old. Bro.
There it goes.
Daddy! Gotta get this one going now.
Daddy, yeah, that one is still is there. That one on.
Twins! I don't think if you can really.
Turn on. Set this computer up.
There's stuff to start it.